Hello, today I am going to show you how to connect Cox Wi-Fi to Roku TV. So let's start the main video. First, turn on your Roku TV and scroll down in the home page until find Settings option. Now click on it, then click on Network. Now click on Setup Connection. After that click on Wireless. Then choose your Wi-Fi network. Now enter Wi-Fi password, then click on Connect. In conclusion, connecting your Cox Wi-Fi to your Roku TV is a quick and straightforward process that allows you to enjoy smooth streaming and full access to online entertainment. Simply go to Settings, select Network, choose Setup Connection, then select Wireless, and pick your Cox Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password carefully, and wait for the TV to complete the connection test. Once successfully connected, your Roku TV will automatically link to the internet and give you access to streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu. And that's it. Thanks for watching.